We rejoice together in happiness and grieve together in sorrow. The people of Pakistan were seriously disturbed when they witnessed a heinous coup attempt made in Turkey on 15th July this year. The resolve and resilience with which the people of Turkey defeated this illegal assault on democracy was remarkable. The courage with which President Erdogan led this resistance effort from the front was decisive. The entire Pakistani nation, regardless of political affiliation, was unanimous in its support and solidarity for Turkey's elected government and democratic institutions. We believe the people of Turkey wrote a new chapter in the annals of history and democracy and set an example for the others. The entire nation of Pakistan joins me in praying for the martyrs of democracy of 15th July and wishing a speedy recovery for the wounded. We have no doubt that Turkey would continue to march forward on its path of peace, progress and prosperity under President Erdogan's charismatic and visionary leadership. President Erdogan and I have just concluded an extensive and wide-ranging exchange of views. We reaffirmed our joint commitment to continue to transform our special relationship into a strong strategic partnership. We agreed that increased trade, investment and commercial cooperation must be the nucleus of the robust economic relationship that we envision. In this context, we have decided by the end of 2017. Pakistan and Turkey are two pivotal states witnessing instability, conflict and transformational developments in their respective regions. I also acknowledge with deep appreciation Turkey's strong support for Pakistan's bid for membership of the Nuclear Supplies Group. Turkey's support has been crucial for Pakistan and has strengthened Pakistan's position.
Sayın Başbakan, aziz kardeşim, Türk ve Pakistan basınının değerli mensupları, öncelikle sizleri şahsım ve heyetim adına en kalbi duygularla selamlıyorum.
Excellency Prime Minister, my esteemed brother, members of the Turkish and Pakistani media, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, allow me to welcome all of you with heartfelt emotions on my personal behalf and on behalf of my delegation.
Sayın Cumhurbaşkanı Memnun Hüseyin'in davetine icabetle gerçekleştirmiş olduğumuz ziyareti dün akşam Sayın Cumhurbaşkanı'nın ev sahipliğinde bir yemekle ve ikili görüşmelerle geçirdik. Bugün de sabahtan itibaren değerli kardeşim Nawaz Şerif'in resmi ziyaretle burada başlattığımız görüşmeleri gerek ikili dar kapsamda gerekse heyetler arası görüşmelerle devam ettirdik.
We are undertaking this current visit upon the kind invitation of Excellency President Mamnoon Hussein, and last night we initiated that visit, of course, via a dinner hosted by Excellency the President. That was, of course, preceded by bilateral talks with the Excellency President. And today, of course, we have been undertaking bilateral and delegation-level talks with Excellency Prime Minister, my dear brother, Mr. Nawaz Sharif.
Bu vesileyle tüm Pakistanlı kardeşlerime, tüm milletim adına en kalbi selam ve sevgilerini iletmek isterim.
And on this occasion, I'd like to convey the deepest heartfelt emotions and greetings from my personal side and, of course, on behalf of my nation to our Pakistani brothers and sisters.
Pakistan'la ilişkilerimiz Başbakanlığım döneminden bu yana yaklaşık 14 yıldır artarak devam eden bir dayanışma içerisinde gelişmektedir.
Ever since the beginning of a 14-year period, which of course was marked by my assuming of office as the Prime Minister, our relations with Pakistan have been growing in strength.
Başbakanlığım döneminde tesis ettiğimiz yüksek düzeyli stratejik konsey çalışmalarıyla 5 yıllık süre içerisinde yaklaşık 51 anlaşma ve belge akdettik.
And in the 5-year period since the establishment of the high-level Strategic Council, which was a step taken when I was in office as the Prime Minister, we have been able to conclude agreements and documents in excess of 50,000 in very different areas.
İnşallah konseyin 5. toplantısına kısa bir zaman içerisinde Türkiye'de ev sahipliği yapacağız.
And inshallah we will be hosting the 5th summit of the Council in Turkey in a very short period of time.
Tabii aramızda siyasi, askeri, ekonomik, ticari, kültürel birçok çalışmalar devam ediyor.
Of course, as we speak, there are numerous activities and functions that are being fulfilled between our countries in the fields of politics, military, economy, trade and cultural affairs.
Bütün bu çalışmaların yanında savunma alanında olsun, sağlık alanında olsun, enerji alanında olsun kaydettiğimiz birçok gelişme var.
In addition to all of these efforts, we have also been making improvements and progress in the fields of defense, healthcare, energy and others.
Az önce değerli kardeşimin de ifade ettiği gibi 2017 yılına girmeden serbest ticaret anlaşmasını tamamlamayı hedefliyoruz.
As mentioned, my dear brother, we are aiming to conclude the free trade agreement before 2017.
Bölgesel ve uluslararası gelişmeleri değerlendirme fırsatını bulduk.
We have also had the opportunity of discussing regional and international developments.
Özellikle Keşmir konusunda